The Korky Strongarm 6071 flush valve upgrade is generally compatible with most Americans with Disabilities Act compliant toilets, but needs a quick check for handle position and tank clearance before installation. The Strongarm 6071 replaces the traditional metal chain with a pull rod that reduces friction and improves lever action for smoother flushing, which can make it easier for users with limited hand strength to operate the handle. When fitting to an Americans with Disabilities Act compliant toilet, measure the distance between the handle and the inner tank wall and confirm the tank lid can rest fully. Some compliant bowls have thicker tank walls that change handle geometry. Test the handle travel by hand before finalizing installation and adjust the rod length using the included slots so the arm moves freely without binding or lifting the fill valve. Ensure the flapper seat and flush valve diameter match the replacement by comparing the existing flush valve opening to the pump cup size specified in the Strongarm documentation. Mismatches can reduce flush efficiency. For installations in regulated environments, document the modification and keep the original parts in case a different solution is required to meet facility policies. If you are unsure about clearance or lever force, take a photograph of the tank interior and consult the manufacturer or a trusted plumber for a rapid assessment. Common issues are interference with tank lids or sidewalls, which you can fix by shortening or rerouting the pull rod and testing for full lid closure before tightening any nuts. Another frequent problem is increased handle travel that feels awkward for someone with limited dexterity, solved by fine-tuning the rod length and using the multiple mounting positions on the Strongarm to reduce travel and required force. A third concern is improper seal engagement after replacement that causes weak flushes, and you should resolve that by checking the flapper seating surface for debris, ensuring the replacement aligns concentrically, and performing a few test flushes while observing reseating each time. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like accessibility upgrades, and we help people find local professionals to discuss fit and installation options for parts such as the Strongarm 6071. We also host a discussion community where we share user experiences and troubleshooting tips, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and connecting them with homeowners seeking help.